Hello again, YouTube. Well, it's pretty clear to see what's wrong with this machine. The LCD panel is cracked right across and some nasty, looks like leakage. That's the liquid of the liquid crystal. So what we're going to have to do is get this guy swapped out, and this is hopefully a little bit easier than perhaps you may think. So to get the screen out, first of all we power it down. You have to remove these little rubber plugs, and then we can see the screws beneath. Probably a good idea at this point to take the battery out. Make sure it's not going to power up. Okay. Having removed the LCD panel, you can check the model number. Here we can see it's 154, which means it's 15.4 inches. So when you're looking on eBay or wherever for a replacement screen, that's the size you need. Also check in listings or in suppliers' details that the screen is a glossy screen or a matte screen, depending which you prefer. And also worth checking the position of the main connector. Sometimes that can vary. They might be on the bottom of the screen, so make sure you get the right one. You can also obviously search by the model number of the laptop itself. Here we can see the new panel just placed on top of the old one to make sure that the connector's in the right place and it's the right size. So having checked all that, let's get it installed.